Hello everyone! We are talking a lot about recycling, but do you know what exactly it means to recycle? So when you take a plastic bottle and you are throwing it to the bin, what exactly happens to it after and how it helps our planet? Do you know that? I'm going to show you an easy way how to recycle things that you already have in your house and probably you're throwing away. So this time you will need an old egg carton. You will also need eggs. We will not throw them away, we will reuse them. Also a plastic container or any container, soil, water, some seeds. I have lemon seeds, but you can also use any seeds from any fruit or vegetable that you have. So it can be pepper, it can be apple, you can also use beans. And if you don't have soil, you can use cotton. So first thing that you need to do is to take away what is inside of the egg. Now I am going to use soil and cotton to show you how it works. Now the last part is to put seeds inside, and remember to press them so they are under the soil. Now I'm going to put them under cotton. We have to keep the soil moist but not soaked, so when you water your small future plants, you have to be careful not to put too much water into them. Put it in sunny place, keep it moist, check if they don't need more water or maybe less water, and enjoy watching the seed cycle and enjoy having in my case, lemon tree. After they grow a little bit, you can transplant any sprouted seeds into a larger pot of soil or to your garden. And the best part is that you don't have to take it away because the eggshell and the egg carton, they are biodegradable, so you just have to cut them in pieces and then just put them into the soil. Have fun!